So we've talked about division by a scalar. We're going to need that to get a covariance matrix. We also need the CSSCP matrix, which we called B, from, it was video 3.8. And it had the values of 46 and then 43, then we have 43 again, and 50. Let's take a look at that. Alright, and just as a note, the degrees of freedom equals n minus 1. And in the case that we're using to get the CSSCP matrix in video 3.8, our number of observations was 5. Because remember, our matrix of deviation scores was a 5 by 2 matrix. So 5 observations on 2 different variables. So we've got 5 minus 1 equals 4. So we are going to divide standard sum of squares and cross products matrix by the degrees of freedom. So we have matrix C for our covariance matrix equals B, the CSSCP matrix, divided by degrees of freedom. And let's take a look at that. And our covariance matrix has the values of 11.5, 10.75, and then the second row 10.75 and 12.5, which is what we got by hand. And that's a very fast, easy, good way to get a covariance matrix in Stata.